Hello, OCD Family Community. It's so good to be back with you all here at the water cooler. After a full year of weekly episodes, I took a week off for some extra family time and vacay before the kids went back to school. And while it was a great rest, it was also a powerful growth moment for fighting OCD. Yes, that's right. Just because we're taking a vacation doesn't mean OCD takes a break too. In fact, sometimes it can kick up a bit stronger. But I can honestly say we left the vacay with less OCD baggage than we started with, particularly for my son who is able to call out OCD's tricks and cheats and live his best life. And while we're in a celebratory mood, I want to say, Happy birthday to us. That's right, fam. Because 1 year ago, I was just launching this podcast with a hope and a dream that loved ones and chosen family around our OCD and OCD related warriors would have a space where we could find support, resources, and hey, maybe just a laugh or two along the way. Am I right? But seriously, knowing my generous colleagues and researchers in this field, the amazing strength of the warriors with lived experience, and the power of you, loved ones that would do anything and everything for your tribe, this was bound to be an inspiring crew, no matter how big or how small. What I didn't expect was that we would shoot up so quickly in downloads that we would reach over 30 countries and all continents except Antarctica, which, hey, I imagine that's a tough crowd. Like, there's not a good Wi-Fi signal, maybe 4 scientists, and I'm sure their itinerary takes a bit of precedence, so no hard feelings here. But y'all, fam, y'all have been amazing. I've learned that having this summer shorts series has been great. People like content in little bits, and it's been a fun challenge, I would say, to get some of this really rich content in very brief episodes. But while the water cooler has been a blast, in typical Nicole style, I somehow made these shorts into a lengthier process through hours of Lego building and animating. Right. Because that's grad school 101 for therapists, you see. Yeah. How to become an animator? Yeah. No. But I've learned to let go of some of my own heightened expectations, which ultimately I put on myself. Can you relate? I mean, talk about taking it up with the boss. Ugh, sometimes I make it harder. It's me that makes it harder on me than it needs to be. So, hey, it's been an amazing learning experience, but I can also vouch that we're just getting started. And next week is going to mark our final water cooler chat for this summer because in 2 weeks, we've got the season 2 premiere, which is so awesome because I'm going to be having a chat with Dr. Patrick McGrath, and we're going to be talking about OCD and substance use disorder. It's going to be a really, really important and enlightening conversation because this is such a common overlap, and I just can't wait for you to hear more. But I will, and I must, because today is all about you and me. Us. Because we have 1 year down, fam, and a bright future ahead. So thank you, fam. Sincerely, thank you. Because I'm just over here talking. What makes this powerful, what creates meaning, is when you join me here, when I'm with you. Because we, if you've been around for a minute, you know what I'm going to say. We are better together. We're family. So happy birthday to us. And hey, join us next week here at the water cooler because we are going to be talking about mental compulsions. Woohoo, aren't we going down with a doozy? Oh, these suckers. They can be rough. But hey, we're strong too. So I'll see you next week, fam.